Simon loves the rain. Jolie, I'm reading this story for you because I love the rain. It makes everything green and beautiful, and I love to play in the rain. I hope you do too. So I'm going to read the story to you now. Simon Loves the Rain, written by Anne Harth. Simon loves the rain. He wears his red boots and a yellow hat. He pulls on his green coat. Take your umbrella, Simon, Mom says. Okay, says Simon as he grabs his purple umbrella. The rain comes down. Pitter, pitter, pitter. Simon jumps in puddles. Splish, splish, splish. The rain comes down harder. Patter, patter, patter. Simon jumps in deeper puddles. Splash, splash, splash. The rain is heavy. Plonk, plonk, plonk. Simon jumps in puddles. Water fills his boots. Slosh, slosh, slosh. Simon runs inside. Mom looks at Simon. His hat drips. His coat drips. His boots are full of water. Simon holds up his umbrella. Look, Mom, I took my umbrella. So the questions that you're going to want to review are here. Comprehension questions. So, do you remember what color is Simon's umbrella? Question number 2, what type of day is it outside in the story? Question number 3, what does Mom give Simon? Question number 4, what color is Simon's hat? And that's the end of our story. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did, and I'm looking forward to recording a couple of more for you. Take care. Bye for now.